Today, I'll walk you through how to take organized and aesthetic notes in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create visually appealing notes so you can enhance your learning experience and retain information better. Let's get started. First, open OneDrive. This is where your OneNote notebooks are stored, similar to how a filing cabinet holds your important documents. Once you're in OneDrive, locate the OneNote application and click to open it. Now, we need to create a page for your note. In OneNote, this is as simple as clicking on the Add Page button, which is usually found on the right side of your screen. This is like setting up a blank canvas for your masterpiece, a fresh start for your ideas. Next, click on Insert in the top menu and choose Page Templates. This feature allows you to select from a variety of pre-designed layouts that can help structure your notes. Think of it as choosing the right frame for your artwork. Once you're in the template section, choose a page template based on your preference. You might find options that suit different subjects or styles. If you want to explore even more templates, click the drop-down menu and select Page Template. This gives you access to a wider range of designs. Now, let's open the Decorative section on the sidebar. Here, you can choose from the available templates that add a creative touch to your notes. I'll choose the columns from this sample, which will help organize my content neatly. Now, it's time to put the title of your page. This is like the headline of a newspaper article. It should be clear and engaging. Next, insert your notes. It's suggested to use bold letters, bullet points, and other decorative elements to enhance readability. This is important because well-structured notes can make a significant difference in how you absorb information. You can also change the font, its color, and size to make it look more aesthetic. This customization is similar to choosing the right colors and textures for your living space. It makes everything feel more inviting and personal. And there you have it. You've successfully created organized and aesthetic notes in OneNote. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.